Welcome to MiniWiseKids. Halloween is just around the corner. Are your costumes ready? Well, before you go trick or treating, you're gonna want to hear the spooky story. Is it spooky or is it science? Tonight we find out. Once upon a time, many years ago, people celebrated the harvest by wearing costumes and masks and going door to door. They would get food and drink, and they would share scary stories. This is where trick or treating began. Then they started carving faces into turnips and putting candles inside. They would put the scary faces on their doors and windows. This was supposed to scare away evil spirits. But then they realized that pumpkins were much bigger and much easier to carve. So, instead of a turnip jack-o'-lantern, they started carving pumpkins. And that's why we have jack-o'-lanterns today. Now before you go out and carve your pumpkin, let's do a mini experiment. Do you want to see your pumpkin glow without a flame? Here's how. Ask an adult to help you place and let tea light inside your pumpkin and then cover it with reflective tape. Now when you turn the lights off, your pumpkin will glow. Isn't that neat? It's safe and it's science. Did you know in some places they celebrate Halloween by putting a black cat costume on their pet and letting them roam free? Black cats are not evil, it's just a costume. And in some countries they celebrate by setting off fireworks. But no matter what you do for Halloween, make sure you stay safe. Wear something bright so you can be seen. Walk with an adult and check your candy before you eat it. Now it's time for bed. I'll see you next time.